Right. Good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good
morning, sir.
Good morning. Any issues, any doubts? And always on. So today our plan is okay. Initially up to 8:30 we'll go for a technical discussion, guys. At 8:30 speaker will join. Okay. So you can ask the questions and all. So I asked you to prepare some questions. How many of you prepared the questions, guys? Okay, no problem. Thank you. Okay, so any questions on always on? Yesterday we discussed always on, right? So anyone tried configuring? How many of you tried configuring always on, guys? Please raise your hands. And yesterday, I guess night 11:30, something around like that, I shared the videos, guys. Okay, so in case if you are missing the videos, okay, so go through those videos and configure it again. Anyone tried at least? Of course, you don't have videos, okay? It will be difficult, but anyone tried at least configuring always on groups? No one tried? Okay, fine. All right. Any questions from yesterday's class, guys? Any doubts in the always on? I hope you can hear me, guys, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Okay. That's fine. So no questions on always on, guys. Can anyone tell me what are the prerequisites for configuring always on?
Windows classes, sir.
Next. I gave you an assignment,
Listener.
simple assignments to yesterday. At least anyone tried that assignment? What are the assignments, guys, we discussed yesterday? Cluster aware, cluster unaware applications. So what are cluster aware and cluster unaware applications? In SQL Server, what components are cluster aware components? What components are cluster unaware components?
By next class, we will let you know, sir.
Why,
Excuse me.
sir? Any muhurtam is there, sir, for next class? Yes, it's just a matter of 5 minutes work. Not sure why, guys. What happened? At least 1-2 people earlier, okay, put some efforts. Now zero efforts from the whole batch.
So SQL Server Database Engine, SQL Server Agent Services, sir.
Okay, what are those? Cluster
And then
aware,
see
cluster unaware.
aware, sir.
Cluster aware services.
Cluster aware.
And can you tell me any cluster unaware application in SQL Server components?
Shared
Can we
services, sir.
configure clustering for always on? Sorry. For analysis services. Can we configure clustering for analysis services? Can we configure clustering for reporting services? Can we configure clustering for integration services? Can we configure clustering for full text services? And what are the other assignments questions we discussed?
SQL Server version, sir.
No.
Same
Can we
name.
configure
And
always on
then
between 2 different versions?
yes, sir.
What is the answer?
Same versions only, sir.
Same version. It should be same version. Are you sure?
Sure. Yes, sir.
First yes, sir. తర్వాత yes పోయా
Yes, sir.
తర్వాత అడిగితే సార్ కూడా పోయా
And also you can it should be in full or bulk, sir. Compulsory should in full only, sir. Full recovery model.
Okay,
And
then
one more question.
recovery model. Okay,
Yes.
okay, fine. Yes, guys. Okay, right. And how many secondary replicas we can configure for SQL Server 2019 in always on?
8, sir.
8 secondary replicas. How many synchronous? How many asynchronous in 8? In 8, how many synchronous replicas? How many asynchronous replicas?
Mhm.
Yesterday, someone asked that question. Have you remember?
3, sir. That
Hmm.
is for automatic
Correct.
sequence.
Automatic failover
Yes,
means
yes,
fast
yes,
synchronous
sir,
commit,
exactly.
right? If I
Yes,
select
sir.
automatic failover, automatically synchronous commit will be selected, right?
Sir.
So out of 8 replicas, 3 are synchronous commit,
Yes.
remaining 5 are asynchronous commit, guys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
They
Yes,
will ask
yes,
that
sir.
question. And can anyone tell me the steps how to configure always on? This is damn sure interview question. Steps to configure always on. First, tell me the prerequisites, and then, guys, is my voice
First,
not clear?
sir, low, sir, very low voice.
Very low.
No, I can hear it, sir, from my end.
Any issues from my side, guys?
Your voice is very low, sir.
Very low.
Very low.
Voice low, sir.
Let me do one thing. Let me reconnect. Okay, okay.